Hello, St. Francis Xavier families. It's Allison Soa, one of your instructional tech coaches, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about Seesaw. Today we're going to learn how to find activities within Seesaw that the teachers have asked the students to complete. I've already logged into Seesaw, and I'm going to talk about some of the features that are on here. Here we have the big add button. This button would be used if the teachers would like the students to post something original, not necessarily to an assignment they've already created. So maybe they want the students to take a photo or add a video. They would do that here, and we'll look into that a little bit later. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna look over here to the right sidebar. The journal is where the students typically log in and they can see all of their work. Right now I only have one thing, but we're gonna take a look at this activities folder. When I tap the activities folder, it will open a variety of assignments for the students to work on. So I'm going to tap it, and I can see that my teacher has assigned me 2 things to work on. Next to each assignment, there are some directions on how to complete it. And then you can also see in this one, there's a little preview and that there are 2 pages to this one. Once an assignment has been complete, it will disappear. So I'm ready to take a look at this home learning test assignment. This is where parents may need to help some of our younger students because the directions are typically typed. However, a teacher can add a recording for the students to listen to. This one has a recording, so I'm going to play it. After reading directions, press the big green add button at the bottom of the assignment. Then use the label tool, which looks like a T, the camera tool, and the drawing tool, and finally the microphone tool to answer these questions. When you are done, press check until it is in your journal and you see your teacher's name. When I am ready to begin the activity, I will hit this big green add response button. From there, I'll have access to the activity. If I can't remember what the directions were, I can press this View Instructions button at the top. The directions will display, and I can listen to the audio version as well. A couple of tools that are important at first glance. We have the magnifying glass that you can use to zoom in. So if I press the magnifying glass, a small image shows up and I can press the plus sign as many times as I need and then move the little yellow box within the screen. To zoom out, I can press the minus sign, and then to make the preview box go away, I just hit the plus sign one more time. I can make the tools go away by pressing this little dotted square button. The tools will go away. I can continue to draw by pressing the pencil button. I can bring my tools back. Up on the top right, I have the draft button. This button is used for if I haven't quite finished something and I want to go back to it at another time. I also have the check mark button, and this is how I will submit something for the teacher to review. If I open something accidentally and I don't want to work on it right now, I can hit this X button in the top left, and it will ask me if I want to start over. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you in how to use Seesaw at home. Stay tuned for other videos in this series. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at this address here. Happy learning!